Hello students, now come to the next question, question number 8 of the exercise 3.3. In the following figures, GUNS guns and RUNS runs are parallelogram. Here GUNS guns here and RUNS runs here. Okay, these two figures are parallelogram. Now we need to find the value of X and Y. Okay, and all these lengths are in centimeters. See, in this case, in the first one, if you see GUNS and the sides are given, this is 26, this is 3y minus 1, this is 18 and this is 3x. And we know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Okay, they are parallel and they are equal also. It means GU is equal to SN and NU equal to SG. So this we can find out. Let's solve the this one first. Solution. Okay. We will let since opposite pair of sides are equal. Let me write here because we need some space for this one. Are equal in parallelogram. Therefore, simply we'll write GU equal to SN and NU equal to SG. That is, GU means what? 3y minus 1 equal to how much? 26. 3y equal to 26 plus 1. Okay, it means 3y equal to 27. It means y equal to 27 by 3. Okay, it means y equal to how much? 9. The value of y equal to 9. Okay, and nu equal to SG. Nu here 18. For this case, you will write implies that 18 equal to 3x. You will write x equal to what? You will write 18 by 3, x equal to 6. So in this case, we find the value of what? X and y. X equal to 6, y equal to 9. Okay. Now come to this part. In this case, we know that the diagonals bisect each other. In a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. It means, let me mark it as a O here. So it means RO will be equal to NO and SO will be equal to UO. Is it clear? So we will do in this way. Solution. Here we will write since diagonals bisect each other in parallelogram, therefore RO will be equal to how much? NO. Okay, and SO equal to how much? UO. So first we need to find the value of SO and UO, means y, because x and y both are unknown variables. We don't have the value of x and y, so we can't find the value of x and y right in this case. First we need to find the value of y, then we will put the value of y here, and then we can find the value of x. So what we will do? First we will do this one. See, that is from this one, SO equal to UO, what we will get? Y plus 7 equal to, let me write U equal to SO. Now U equal to Y plus 7 equal to SO equal to how much? 20. So what will happen? Y equal to 20 minus 7. Y equal to how much? 13. So value of Y is 13. Now and RO equal to NO. So we will write NO equal to RO NO is how much? X plus Y equal to RO is how much? 16. So x plus 13 equal to 16. So x equal to what? 16 minus 13, then the x equal to 3. Okay. So a little bit looks clumsy because I have a small board here right now. Though please cooperate with me. Look at here. As I told you, the diagonals bisect each other. So this part will be equal to this part, and this part will be equal to this part. So first we find necessity to find this part earlier, because here only we need to find the value of y. Y plus value of 20. So y plus value of 20, the y equal to 20 minus 7 gives you 30. So we got the value of y 30. Now we will put the value of y here, and we will try to find the value of x in RO equal to NO. So NO equal to RO, NO means what? X plus value of 16, x plus 13 equal to 16, so x equal to 16 minus 13 gives you 3. So in this way, we have find the value of x in the first part, it is 6, and y it is 9. And in the second figure, we got the x equal to 3 and y equal to 30. So hope it is very much clear to you. Thank you.